What's going on, everybody? It's Coach Reg, aka Mr. Intensity.
And I'm Lana, aka Mrs. Intensity.
And our job is to
invoke thought
and help awaken the world's consciousness.
One person at a time.
Hopefully that person is you. Now, as my last video, we went into the benefits of this beautiful super grain. Mrs. Intensity helped me to love this grain.
Yes, I did.
The way she cooks it. So it's all about how you make it. So I hope that you can watch Mrs. Intensity instruct you and do this in your kitchen, because it's not as hard as you may think it is. And while we're detoxing and cleansing, we must put things into our body that help our digestion and benefit our body. This right here will. So I'll let Mrs. Intensity do the rest.
All right, guys. First, we have to get the ratio of water to quinoa down packed first. All right. So what I'm doing is I have two cups of quinoa to 4.5 cups of water.
Here we
so
go.
that it won't be too much water to quinoa.
Oh, this is lentils. If anybody's wondering, this is lentils.
That's lentil. Yeah, and then we're gonna put sprinkle a little bit. You don't have to, but I just sprinkle a teaspoon of Himalayan salt in there, and that's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes to boil. And once it's boiled, you would see all the water evaporated, and the quinoa is gonna fluff up. And we'll show you that next. Be sure to periodically stir your quinoa so that it won't stick to the bottom of the pot.
So you poured that bowl into here, correct?
Pour this into here. That's 2 cups of quinoa to 4.5 cups of water.
Here we go.
And a teaspoon of salt. So be ready for the next step. Yeah, so that might have been a little bit less than 15 minutes, but once it is fully cooked, this is what it looks like. Fluffy.
And as you see what I said, it's like little sprouts coming out of it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You can see, you want to see it closer?
Yeah, see it closer. See the sprouts coming out of it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to stir fry the quinoa. So to make veggie fried quinoa.
Yeah.
And that's one of my recipes in the book as well. Alright, I'm gonna get my stuff together. I put the quinoa to the side and I pulled out my frying pan. You don't really need you can get it's a medium to large frying pan. So just in case you don't want anything spilling off from the sides, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna heat the frying pan for about 2 minutes with avocado oil. A little bit of avocado oil, which is about like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and we're gonna let that heat up for about two minutes. All right, now that we heat up our oil for about 2 minutes, we're going to put 2 cups of peas and carrots in there to saute. You can add chopped onions to this as well, but to save time, we're not gonna do that. Let this stir around or saute for about 2 minutes. Or you do not have to wait the 2 minutes. You can just pour the quinoa right over it so it can heat up as well. All right. We're gonna stir it around. Be careful so it doesn't fall over the sides. At this time we can put our seasonings. This time I'm using my onion powder, my garlic powder, faithful garlic powder, my onion. Since you didn't cut up any fresh onions, you can, to save time, use chopped dried onions. So that was 2.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped onions. Paprika, we're going to use a dash of paprika or 2 dashes. Boom, boom. Some black pepper, 2 dashes. And parsley flakes.
Some of y'all need that parsley.
Yes, parsley and everything. You can use it fresh or dried. And that was actually 4 shakes of the parsley.
Y'all can literally do this while watching the video.
Yeah, exactly. It's not that hard to do the thing. You can add more seasonings if you want, more or less seasonings if you want. And you can put like a little bit of, I put a pinch or 2 of Himalayan salt. You can add more, but due to the fact that I put a little bit of salt in the water as the quinoa was boiling before, it doesn't need that much salt now, after the fact. And saute this around, or toss this around, or fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you're pretty much done. You don't have to add anything else. You're good.
And I can't wait to eat this because veggie quinoa, I used to make it really bland, but she puts the vegetables in it and the right seasonings and spices. So for a lot of you men who, who don't, like to learn new stuff, this is something to learn new. And this is very quick. This takes a little, 20 minutes tops, if that?
Yeah, 20 minutes tops.
Yeah, that's about it.
It's one of the fastest meals you can make.
Yeah.
It's faster than brown rice, way faster than black rice, less hassle.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So, I mean, that's pretty much our quinoa video. Go ahead and get that. Get the detox, get the 10-day detox cleanse.
Yes.
You know what I mean? For the colon. And start eating healthy. All right? Teach your kids something that they can learn forever.
Exactly.
Stop letting somebody else. Exactly.
This is very nutritious.
That's right. That's right. So we'll keep you posted on when we do our next live video. But besides that, this is Coach Reg, aka Mr. Intensity.
And I'm Alana, aka Mrs. Intensity.
And our job is to
invoke thought.
Help awaken the world's consciousness.
One person at a time.
Hopefully that person is you.
And guess what? It's done.
Oh, look, it's done. See, there it is. Okay.
Pretty much done.
There you go.
Turn your stove off and you're good.
All right, we out. Peace.
Bye.